So here's my best worker in the Philippines. This is Justin Faith. And she's keeping the work site clean with her broom. She's sweeping the wall. Say hello, Justin Faith. Hello, Tito Jeff. Justin Faith. Justin Faith. She's too busy. She's too busy working. So we're going to surface these walls, so they need to be cleaned. Bought this little Black & Decker pressure washer for about, it's about 140 bucks, I think. And it's taken off this black stuff off of the cement, and we'll cover that with a cement coating to make it nice and smooth. This is Rico. Say hi, Rico.
Hello.
Rico is a working machine. He works. And then when he finds time to rest, the women find more work for him to do. Okay, Tito Jeff, Ormoc City. With my working crew. Okay, here's Roy. He's up there putting skim coat in the bedroom. Let's see what everybody else is doing today. Here's Nanai. It's my mother-in-law. She's supervising. And I've got these ladies painting the grill work over the windows. This is a grill for security to keep people from breaking in the house. So we've sanded it, wiped it down, putting primer on it now, and then we'll paint it black. And inside the house, Justin Faith is making the rounds. This is the skim coat that I'm talking about. So you got a dark blue wall, and Roy is covering that with skim coat. Say hello, ladies.
Hello.
Hello, YouTube. Maricel is ready to eat again. She eats all the time.
All the time, yes.
I don't know what she's doing. But she's getting some food ready for everybody to eat. I'm joking about Maricel eating all the time. And in the kitchen, we have, turn the light on so you can see her beautiful face. Ate Alice. She's cleaning the fish. All right, so here's the fish that we bought at the market. And she's cleaning the fish. And we're going to have fish for lunch. All right, so that's all for now. Tito Jeff, Ormoc City, Leyte the Philippines. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I'll be making more and more videos about my good life here in the Philippines. Bye-bye.